Do you find yourself saying, "Where did I put my keys?" Or, "What was I supposed to do again?" Don't worry, you are not alone. In fact, many people over the age of 60 start to notice that they're getting more forgetful. And if this is something that you've been experiencing, the good news is there is one vitamin that can fix it fast. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be talking about how low levels of this one vitamin may be the reason why you've been feeling so forgetful lately. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll be sharing some easy ways to boost your levels of this important nutrient. As we get older, it's normal to experience some changes in our brain function. We may start to notice that it takes us a little longer to learn new things or that we can't remember names as well as we used to. But did you know that these changes don't have to be inevitable? In fact, there are many things that we can do to keep our brains sharp as we age, including eating a healthy diet, staying physically active, and challenging our minds with new activities. So what exactly is causing this forgetfulness that many seniors experience? Well, according to experts, it can be linked to several different factors, including stress, lack of sleep, and certain medical conditions. However, one of the most common causes is vitamin deficiencies. That's right. Not getting enough of certain vitamins and minerals can lead to problems with memory and cognition. And today we're going to focus on one vitamin in particular that has been shown to improve brain function in seniors: vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that plays a key role in keeping our brains and nervous systems healthy. It helps to make red blood cells and keeps our DNA working properly. According to experts, this vitamin is also involved in the production of a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine, which is responsible for helping us remember things. So it's easy to see how a deficiency in B12 could lead to problems with memory and focus. Now let's take a closer look at how low levels of B12 might be affecting your brain function. If you're not getting enough of this important vitamin, it can lead to a number of unpleasant symptoms. For example, you may start to feel tired and fatigued all the time. You may also find it difficult to concentrate on tasks or to keep your thoughts organized. This can be frustrating and it can make it hard to get things done. But perhaps the most noticeable symptoms of a B12 deficiency are problems with memory and cognition. You may find that you're forgetting things more often, such as where you left your keys or what you were supposed to do. This can be concerning, and it can make you wonder if these symptoms are just a normal part of aging or something more serious. The good news is that many of these symptoms can be improved by boosting your levels of vitamin B12. When you take B12, your body is better able to produce red blood cells and keep your DNA working properly. This means that you'll have more energy and focus, and you'll also be better able to remember things. Studies have shown that people who take B12 supplements have better cognitive function and memory than those who don't. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Neurology, Neurosurgery, and Psychiatry found that taking B12 supplements for 6 months led to improvements in memory and thinking skills in older adults with low levels of this vitamin. Of course, it's always best to get your nutrients from the food you eat. But if you're struggling to get enough B12 through your diet, a supplement may be a helpful solution. B12 is mostly found in animal products like meat, poultry, fish, and dairy. But as we get older, many of us may start to eat less of these foods, which can lead to a deficiency. This is especially true for vegans and vegetarians, who don't consume any animal products at all. Fortunately, there are plenty of B12 supplements available so you can easily boost your intake of this important nutrient. But before you start any new supplement, be sure to check with your doctor first. They can help you determine the right dosage and make sure that it's safe for you to take based on any medical conditions or medications you may have. If you think you may have a B12 deficiency, it's important to talk to your doctor right away. Untreated, a B12 deficiency can lead to serious problems like nerve damage and dementia. But with treatment, most people are able to make a full recovery and improve their memory and cognitive function. So if you're concerned about your memory or brain function, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A simple blood test can check your levels of B12 and other nutrients. and your doctor may recommend supplements or dietary changes to help you improve your overall health. Some foods that are high in B12 include beef, lamb, chicken, fish, eggs, dairy products, and fortified breakfast cereals. The recommended daily allowance for B12 is 2.4 micrograms, but as we get older, our bodies may need more of this important vitamin. In fact, experts recommend that adults over the age of 50 take in 2.6 micrograms of B12 per day. If you're not getting enough B12 through your diet or supplements, you may want to consider taking a supplement. As I mentioned earlier, supplements are a great way to ensure that you're getting enough of this important nutrient, especially if you have difficulty eating certain foods or absorb nutrients. There are two main types of B12 supplements, cyanocobalamin and methylcobalamin. Both are effective, but methylcobalamin is the active form of the vitamin and is thought to be more easily absorbed by the body. Some popular B12 supplements include Nature's B12, Vital Proteins, Liquid B12, and Now Foods B12. Each of these supplements contains methylcobalamin, which is the most readily absorbed form of B12. When choosing a supplement, it's important to read the label carefully and follow the directions. Most supplements should be taken daily, but some can be taken less frequently. For example, Nature's B12 is a liquid spray that's taken twice daily, while Vital Proteins is a capsule that's taken once daily. Ultimately, the best supplement for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. So be sure to talk to your doctor about which supplement is right for you. If you've made it this far, I know you're loving this content. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our latest videos. Now, let's get back to the video. Many seniors struggle with forgetfulness and other cognitive issues, but this doesn't have to be a normal part of aging. By taking steps to boost your intake of vitamin B12, you can support your brain health and improve your cognitive function. Just be sure to talk to your doctor before taking any supplements. They can help you determine the right dosage and make sure that it's safe for you to take. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of B12-rich foods is the best way to improve your brain health. But if you're struggling to get enough through your diet alone, a supplement may be worth considering. With so many different options available, it's important to do your research and find the supplement that's right for you. Read the labels carefully, follow the directions, and talk to your doctor if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you for watching today's video. Please remember to like and share for more informative content about senior health and wellness. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, stay active, and keep those brains sharp.